Hey guys, what is up? So, I was just fishing and I've caught 3 bass. I wish I was filming. And I have like 15 minutes left. Gonna try and pull out one more while the camera's rolling. But I still can't believe. So if you go check out my TikTok, so there was a quick sell, the daily mission objectives. There was a quick sell and I got 350K out of it, and I spent not all of it, but most of it on Walter Payton. But yeah, I am going to set the camera down and I will check up with you guys if I catch one. Anyways, bye.